first of all, I would say that thing today game was for our side is up and down. So we play yesterday much better than today, but we couldn't beat Jigsaw. So I would say we were today a little lucky. But the team and the boys, they show they have a big heart and we work together as a team. So, but hockey is a strange game. I mean, today the game was like 50-50, or maybe I would say Brasov played a little better and more chance, but we can earn the 3 points, so that's the most important thing. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I agree 100%. This is scoring game.
Yeah, so that's all I have to say. So I'm very happy with the boys. They work together as a team. They showed a big heart, you know. So it's the most important, the 4 points this weekend for us, and still in the competition for the playoffs. So that's a good thing for us, I think.
Great goalie for you today.
Yeah, but I think all the team was okay. So we are happy with that.
Congrats for the opponent for the good game, and like he said, it was almost 50-50. Okay, maybe the first period was a little bit our play, second was totally for them, and I think we pretty much dominated in third, but no goals. That's the I think we have 3 times empty net. No, we missed the net, and this is scoring game. If you don't score, you don't win. So especially the second period was so bad for us. So okay, we have some excuses, injuries, sickness, blah blah blah. But I think every team have those. But now we have to rest tomorrow and start focusing for the next game on Friday in Jocul. I hope we are more fresh then. That's all.
Do you think you need to make some mental preparation for the games against Jocul? You know, it seems that you miss empty netters against Jocul and against Frodi tonight, and all these great chances. Maybe a mental problem?
It's a scoring problem. If you're a hockey player, you love to score. It's not up to mental. You are doing totally the wrong sport if you don't like to score. Player is living for goals.
What do you think the coach has been changed in this team? What do you think that you bring? Because I believe it's the same hockey that this team plays. What can you change? What can you do?
What can I do?
Yes.
What I have done?
Yes.
I have done defensive play. If you count how many goals against in my time,
okay,
please do that before next question.
No, what can you do to?
I just said this is a scoring game. We cannot win if we score once. Our opponents, they have scored against us normally 1, 2, 3 times. Not games like you have played here, I heard 9, 7 and like that. These are the hockey numbers, 3-1. Okay, the last one was empty net. But we cannot win if we make only 1 goal. Scoring is our problem.
So the players have to step it up.
They have to start scoring.
This is the problem before and now.
We've been waiting for this to happen from the beginning of the season.
The whole season was.
No. Maybe there is not so much as scoring types. Okay, today was we have some key scorers. They have injuries after last game, and they play with tapes and pills and painkillers. We were not fresh from that side today, but. It's hard. It's hard for the boys as well, I know.
Are you upset with the boys?
No. Does it help anything? They try their best, for sure. And we only have to wait that the ketchup bottle will open, and then comes the lots of ketchup. It will come sooner or later.
It should be sooner,
No,
because later it's too late.
no.
Do you still believe that we can reach the playoffs?
Sure. And still we are in.
Of course, it's open. The league is
Yeah.
so
There is
tight,
30
you know.
points on something,
Yeah,
and everybody can beat everyone, so
that's
it's...
right.
I think the final round when we are away on the road trip, that's the where we decide when we know are we in or out. I think because every team is playing against each others and winning and losing. But now we are unfortunately we lose with the 1 goal couple of games, so we have to step up and do 1 goal more in every game. Then we are tied. It's not far away.
You still can decide your own. You don't have to look at the other results, but
No, and those results don't help us. It's we have to, and if we are going to playoffs, are we going to lose them? We have to win our games. That's the point number 1. And today, I'm 2 periods we played pretty good.
1.5.
1.5. Tell me how 1.5.
Because you start,
We played perfect first period,
yes.
and third one we dominate.
And how about the second?
Huh?
And how about the second?
Not the second was not so good, but okay, maybe a little bit, but there was catastrophe mistakes, and we are doing those personal mistakes, which are not anymore in this level hockey possible to do that.
that's exactly what the point is.
But that's hockey.